In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the Google keyboard, also known as the GBoard, on your Samsung Galaxy A37. So you're going to begin by opening up the Google Play Store, and then from here, you're going to use the search function, and you're going to type in GBoard or Google Keyboard, and then you're going to search. You should see it listed in the search results, so go ahead and select it, confirm it's by Google, and then tap on install and wait for it to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been downloaded, you can tap on open to launch it. And then from here, you just need to go through the process of setting it up. This includes turning it on or ensuring that it's available to work on your A37. So just tap on enable in settings, look for GBoard and tap on the toggle next to it to turn it on and confirm that you wish to enable it. Then go back, select it or set it as your default keyboard. So just tap on select input method, choose GBoard, and then select done to finish up. It will bring you to the settings menu for the GBoard, but you'll notice if you bring up the keyboard, you'll be able to see your brand new Google keyboard or your GBoard successfully added to your phone. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.